Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and when you're watching this, welcome to a new vlog and a new breakfast ride. And we have Panda Boy on the Tiger. Varanko bandi marchestunnao. Lucky fellow. Tiger, old memories. కొడైకెనాల్ గుర్తొస్తే చాలు, ఇంకేం గుర్తు చేసుకోకు. అందుకే అడిగా ఫస్ట్ రాగానే రాత్రి బాగా నిద్రపోయావా అని. I think we'll have Shriman and Aditya was supposed to come, but I think he was watching tennis, so I don't think he'll come. 2 ADVs and a scrambler, so we'll get to switch. We'll get to try 1250 GSA today. That should be fun. You see that milestone, Nagpur 485 Medchal 18. Soon maybe we can finish that. NH44, and we have Shriman here with the GSA adventure. Arey, అదొక ఐప్యాడ్ రేపు పడుతుంది. లెట్స్ గో. we're gonna ride till maybe Adigas or Malgudi. That's gonna be almost 150-200 kilometers one way. That should be good enough for us to complete the running in. Nice lovely weather, man. So cool. Little traffic. Wish we had started around 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock even, would have been perfect, but theek hai, chalega. Just don't want sun and we have to avoid all the signal lights. 2601 Delhi 1459 eppudu potamo. White and blue gold color ela koncham endabadappudu manchi photogenic undi bandi. Looks really nice. PPF tho manchi shine kodutundi. Time to switch. మా ఇంట్లో కౌచ్లో కూర్చున్నట్టుంది. ఏంది ఇది ఊగుతుంది? రిమోట్కి నాట్ ఇన్ రేంజ్ అంటే ఆగిపోద్ది నాన్న. క్యూట్ బాయ్. అరే హెజార్డ్ లైట్ రైట్లో ఉంటుంది. మోడ్ మార్చి ఇవ్వాలా. ఇది పైకి అనాలి కంట్రోల్. జర్నీలో ఫుల్ పవర్ వస్తుంది, బట్ థ్రాటిల్ ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. యాక్టివ్ ఇస్ ఫుల్. సిటీ ఈజ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 70% పవర్. I feel I'm in a car. I can immediately feel the difference with that 1250. Whatever I remember from the 1250, this wind blast is making a big difference. Like ఈ వెయిట్కి ఇట్లా వేస్తున్నారంటే మ్యాడ్రా. First impressions, just the wind protection is so good. And the seat, man, this is the most comfortable seat I've been to. I don't know if it's the same as the 1250, but 1250 GS, but it's just that this feels so comfortable. The seat coming from the Ducati, obviously this is much more comfortable, but from what I remember to the GS, just the wind production is so good. I think I still need a clip here at the top because I'm still getting a lot of wind, and I'm sitting quite tall on this bike, so probably you'll hear a bit more of wind, but it's just that I love how comfortable this is compared to GS. Another thing that I immediately notice is because of the extra weight, this feels much more stable. And not that the other bike is not stable, it's just that whenever I'm flicking this bike, like I feel that extra weight, and that's a reassuring weight. Whereas GS, it is very nimble. You can flip left and right quite easily. This feels much more planted, so on a highway when you're touring, this is probably the most comfortable options out there. So that's the primary difference. Let's see how this handles in the corner. Oh, nice. Very reassuring, man. This handles well. The suspension is on the cushy side, which is perfect for touring. Panda, you want to switch? Okay, now the dark horse. If you have seen my Rajasthan ride, I think that's when I rode the Tiger well extensively. No running in, nothing. We can push this bike. This feels more like a street naked with an ADV skin. This is pretty good for touring, like you can't complain. Can go anywhere. Only thing that I'm not a big fan of Tigers is in general the triple lacks a bit of low end torque, and I'm somehow used to twins and I like that torque. On highway they're amazing, you get that amazing mid end and top end, but low end thoda kam hai. Most of the places like Malgudi, Vayadigas, these are all shut down. I think they're doing some Vayadigas is doing some renovations, Malgudi shut down. So we'll probably have breakfast at home. That's the plan. So we'll just switching bikes, riding each and getting an idea of those bikes. If I have to pick between GS and GSA, I'll go for the GSA. As of now, the first impressions, but I will probably do one more ride back to back with the GS. We have quite a few GSs in the group anyway, so then we'll get a better idea of the differences. Hey guys, that was a very short ride. We just wanted to take our bikes, finish the running in, especially the GSA and the Scrambler 1100. We finished the ride and came back home by around 10:30 or 11. If you're hearing some background noise, that's not the AC or the fan. That's an Intel Core i5 chip, quad core, 3.8 GHz with 24 GB of RAM, and giving that fan sound for what? A GoPro footage, not even this camera footage, which takes probably more processing power to uncompress and edit. Kind of tells you how good the M1 laptops are or the M1 chip is. My MacBook Pro flies. It literally flies in FCPX. So if someone's using any other software like DaVinci or Adobe Premiere, they are not yet optimized for the M1 chips. Once they do, I'm sure they will also run as good as FCPX. If you've got a new M1 Mac, use FCPX, just wait till the companies optimize the chip. It's amazing how much they could do with an integrated chip. In fact, this has discrete graphics but still struggles, man. Some of you on Instagram might have seen the photos and the Q&A session. So in case you're not following me on Instagram, the link's here. And in case you're new to this channel, go check out the previous videos and don't forget to subscribe because you're missing out on amazing content. And I need all your support to reach my target of 100K as soon as possible. I kept a date of August. Why August? Simple thing, my father passed away in August 2014. It was a big life-changing moment. There was a lot going on in the life. I just wanted some sanity and I thought bike was the best mode for it. I did some solo rides for almost 6 months to 1 year. Then I met these guys in IBW rides. The bonding we had was more like what you have with school friends. So it was so good, man. Whenever August comes, it's just a slight reminder of how the life was back in 2014. I was a fresh graduate from an MBA, got a job at a bank. It was probably the proudest moment for me and also my father. Things were looking so bright, but suddenly things changed a lot. I'm sure the last pandemic changed lives of a lot of people. I just want to achieve something which I'm happy and also something he would be proud of. I set milestones so that I can reach them early because we don't know what tomorrow holds for us. It's not that I'm eager for money, fame, attention or anything that associates with these goals. My ultimate goal with YouTube is to reach as many people as possible, and in that regard 100K is one step there. Anyway, this is getting too emotional. I've set up a Q&A on Instagram yesterday on Sunday and I've got some interesting questions. I just wanted to check a few more questions in case I didn't answer them on Instagram, but that would be the best place because I have more time to answer those. Would you like to start a gaming channel soon? From Vardhan Kumar. No. I like playing games on PS5, but I'm a very novice gamer. I hardly have any experience there. I'm still learning it. I used to have a PS3 with only 3 games and I sold it after a year because that was getting too addictive and I'm spending more time. So I don't like to spend so much time gaming. It's more like late night, one hour or so. That's how much I game. So probably you would not have more entertainment watching me play. Oh, this is good. IMDH45 wants to know, this is in Telugu, so I'll translate it in English. He wants to know anything other than what he has seen in videos. I do write a lot, and not as much as I did before in 2016 and 17, but I do like writing. So I have wrote some travel blogs, I wrote some bike reviews. You can check my handle Classic86 on Team BHP. I'm a very novice writer. Please ignore if there are any mistakes or so, but I like writing. I want to pursue that much more. I have to just sit and do. But the Nexon 10,000 kilometer ownership review will be on Team BHP, so stay tuned for that. Sai Krishna _Mutoju. Hi Charan, how is your mother doing after the surgery? My mother is doing well. No issues, no side effects or anything. She in fact got vaccinated too. So all is good. Thanks to all the staff at Yashoda Secunderabad. They have done an amazing job. I think that should be it for questions. It's just that as you can see, I can keep scrolling on and on for questions. Maybe we'll have a bot or something later on to answer those, but it's just that sorry I couldn't answer all of them. I'm doing my best to engage as much as possible. The major portion of the Q&As can be categorized into rides, how I met my friends, about the bikes, about the riding gear, investments and stocks and mutual funds. These were the overarching categories, so I answered those.
Some of the questions were too specific or too broad, so can't answer them in one line or in a few seconds. And also I wanted something fun, so I tried to answer, but it I think went too emotional with some of the questions. But that's okay. You need to know who I am, right? That's how we build the connect. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And in case you're watching this in the night time, have a good night and see you in the next one. Keep smiling. Bye bye.